There are certain health programs that are there in India. When India became free, it launched many health programs. So we are going to just discuss the names of the few health programs, then we'll just discuss when they were launched. First, it was National Malaria Eradication Program. It was launched on April 1953. So in this case, when this program was launched, it was made mandatory that DDT will be sprayed because it's an insecticide. It's going to kill the organisms that are going to cause malaria. So DDT will be sprayed twice a year in the endemic areas. So this was the main thing behind this program, the National Malaria Eradication Program. Then there was National Filaria Control Program in 1955, then National AIDS Control Program in 1985. You know that AIDS is a very deadly disease. So as India realized that this AIDS is spreading from country to country, then we need to get rid of this deadly disease. Then National AIDS Control Program was launched, in which there are HIV tests being done for pregnant mothers, and it was launched in 1985. So this National AIDS Control Program is helping all of us to actually fight with this deadly disease, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is quite deadly. Then again we have Iodine Deficiency Disorders Program, which was launched in 1962. Well, because of the deficiency of iodine, the disease that is caused is goiter. But this can be cured by taking iodized salt. But maybe the iodized salt is not produced in sufficient quantities that is required by the growing population of India. So still there are many people, the population is suffering from this disease, that is goiter. But for this, iodine deficient disorder programs has its targets, that is the supply of, or you can say the ample amount production of the iodized salt, so that the population do not suffer from this disease, that is goiter. Then we have Universal Immunization Program, launched in 1974. The WHO realized that for a country to progress, the immunization program is the best way out in terms of health strategies. How? Because when you give vaccines, then this is going to prevent the disease. So this comes under Universal Immunization Program. For example, we have vaccines for polio. Next is Pulse Polio Immunization Program. In this case, the polio vaccine is given to the children below 5 years of age in a year, in December and January on fixed dates. So this Pulse Polio Immunization Program has been very successful because it is this program which is going to help us to eradicate polio. And this program, when it was launched in 1955, nowadays, since everyone is going to be aware because of this program, then this program is actually going to be successful. Means we will be able to eradicate polio from India at a time. Then we have dengue fever control in 1996. We also have National Cancer Control Program, then National Water Supply and Sanitation Program. So these are the names of some programs that are launched by the Indian government to actually help us to live healthy, right? Now the World Health Day, it is celebrated every year on April 7th. Now this World Health Day celebration also helps us to bring in awareness within all of us, so that we are aware of the different health issues that are there in our country, and we have the spirit to fight with those diseases, right? By launching such programs, the government helps its population, helps the citizens to get rid of these diseases.